Welcome to another vlog. My name is Kanisha. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're already part of the family. I ordered this package from Black Denim, aka Ryan. Follow him on YouTube and Instagram. I believe the same handle name. And he is always talking about this drip sauce that he makes, and when he does his mukbangs with it, it looks so good. So I ordered some. It's black owned business, so I thought, why not support? I ordered it last week, it came this week, so shipping was quick. So let's see how it looks. Hold on. Ooh, look how nicely packaged that is. Got a nice card. I love when I have thank you cards in packages from people that I buy from. It really just says a lot. And I appreciate him packaging it in such a way where it would minimize any damage. So, ooh, this is called Seafood Sauce and More Black Denim Drip. Y'all look how nice he has it packaged. I mean, like, can it get any better than that? He is local. He is here in Jacksonville. I mean, everything about this says large business. I mean, look how this is nicely packaged so it wouldn't leak. I mean, y'all look at this. Can't wait to try it. I'll let y'all know how it is.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we
Used to say too. I liked him.
Yeah.
He's a good pro.
We'll see what
Hopefully Winston does good.
yeah, he came in the game and did his thing when they played. Who do they play now? Tampa.
Last year?
Yeah. He came in for I think like one play and threw a touchdown.
Yeah. He didn't play too much last year, but we'll see this.
Y'all, okay. Well, let me see, get where y'all can see me. I said, I didn't even show the people what I got from Goodwood yesterday. Now, these items have already been washed, which is why they're on hangers. I washed them and let them air dry. The first thing I want to show you is these seersucker style pants. They are wide leg, and these are by Morona. I think that's a Target brand. I believe these were about $4 or so, something like that. The next thing is this Ralph Lauren. It's just a plain white shirt. It has the pleating detail on the front. This was a couple of dollars as well. The last clothing item I bought was another white shirt, but this one is a little bit different. It's a little bit more light, a little bit more airy. There you can kind of see the details of it up front. It's just a really nice, cool, very summertime friendly shirt. Last but not least is this pair of Ralph Lauren leather loafers. Now, these have never been worn. The person who donated them never wore them. I paid $5.99 for these. I'll see you guys later. so I'm at the collision center. I had to come sign a release for them to start the estimate and ultimately start doing the work on my son's car. Y'all, it looks so much worse in the daytime than it did when I first saw it. I don't know if I told y'all, but this accident happened about 12:30 on Sunday morning. So he was on his way home, and that's when it happened. So I really couldn't get a good look at it then, but yeah, it looked way worse. It looked way worse now than it did when I first saw it. So again, thank the Lord that, you know, there were no injuries. So very thankful that my son is unharmed. Praise the Lord. Y'all know I probably find me a Goodwill to stop by on the way, right? Since I'm on the side of town and I really don't frequent that often. Don't judge me. We'll talk with you guys later. Hey y'all, today is Friday, August 13th. Friday the 13th. I'm on my way to get my oil changed in my truck. I am a little bit overdue for an oil change, just a little bit. Did I miss my exit? Okay, y'all, so went to that location. They opened at 7 and 7:12. They finally came out and said, I'm the only one here and my help is not here. So it'll be another 45 minutes before we will be able to get you seen. What? All right, I guess. So luckily there's another location like about 10 minutes away.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and...
So, y'all, this is the smokehouse chicken from Church's, and this has a lot of protein, you know, which I need for my iron. And the green beans are a healthier alternative than the mashed potatoes. If y'all have a Church's that's near you, or you just want to try it, I would encourage you to do so. I give it about an 8 out of 10. going to get 3 panels if they have them to do a DIY wall art project for my foyer. Right now we have a picture up there and I don't like it anymore. I don't like it. I really didn't like it from the beginning, but so now I want to do three individual ones instead of one big picture. So I will see you guys later. So y'all, I finally registered my Alexa to my refrigerator. Let's see if it works. Alexa, play Back That Thing Up by Juvenile.
Here's Back That Thing Up by Juvenile, featuring Manny Fresh, Lil Wayne, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play To Be Real.
Got to Be Real by Cheryl Lynn, on Amazon Music.
Hey y'all, so I'm sitting here eating. You saw earlier in this vlog where I received the packaging and how nicely it was packaged. Listen, he announced today that he was not going to be doing the drip sauce anymore, and I am so glad that I bought it when I did. It was my first time trying it, and unfortunately it'll be my last time since he's not making it anymore. But let me tell you something. I know everybody has their seafood, garlic butter concoction, for lack of a better word. I do as well. But this right here, y'all, this is so good. The flavors are so on point. I mean, it's like, it has a little bit of a kick to it, but not too much, because I really don't like spicy food, but this is just enough. And what I did, here's what I have left of it in this bowl anyway. I still have some left in the bottle, but that's what I have left in the bowl. What I did was I tossed my chicken in it. He recommended that one time on his mukbang channel. You can see I've already eaten some of the chicken, but that sauce is a nice compliment for, I mean, I've only tried it on chicken and seafood, but it honestly seems like it would be a nice compliment to any protein. It's so good. It's so flavorful. I'm going to try to save it as long as I can. I think on his website it says it'll keep about 4 weeks in the refrigerator, and that's where I have it. So I'm glad I ordered it. I'm sorry if you missed out, but he did his thing on that one. And looking at his YouTube channel, I follow him on YouTube and Instagram. He is a talented chef. He may not be a classically trained chef or whatever you call it, but sometimes, in my opinion, the chefs that are not trained are the best ones ever, because you can actually taste the love in their food, and it's not a little pinch of this, a cup of that, a half a teaspoon of this. It's whatever feels right to them, and this sauce is really, really good. So I'm glad I got it when I did. I hate this will be my last time trying it, but it is really good. Congratulations, Ryan, on whatever you have, whatever ventures you have next. I hope it involves something to do with food. I did a quick grocery store run. Let me show you what I got. Tub of country crop, cream cheese, summer rolls, half and half, heavy whipping cream, oatmeal, eggs, gallon of milk, creme brulee coffee creamer. Creme brulee is my favorite dessert, y'all. Fun fact. Captain Crunch for the hubs, the crab leg, 2 pink grapefruits, white potatoes, white grapes, and some chicken. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to end the vlog here. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.